Okay, now motor replacement for this electric window on the left back door. Why did this happen? Well, I busted this motor because one day after going to car cleaning, when they done the interior, the guy probably put a lot of water and soap inside this module here, and after a few days it was so badly corroded that only, I believe, some of the windows worked. So, not knowing what happened, in my enthusiasm and stupidity, I started removing this motor here to see what happened, and be very careful after removing those screws here. When I pulled the motor out, the brushes broke because there's a little bushing there which pulls them out when you pull out the motor. So be very careful when you put the motor. Just look inside and wiggle gently to pull it out. Otherwise you will break and rip apart basically the brushes. So I'll have to remove this door panel first. And how do we do this? Well, there's a plastic cap here, a plastic screw here. We have to take it apart. In order to open this nut here, you need a 10 millimeters wrench and just do half a turn. Come on, like that, you see? And this side is free. Next thing, you see here under the door handle there's a little notch, and you have to use a lever to pry it. Okay, there it is. I have to disengage the contact for the button and the wire that keeps the unlocking mechanism of the door. Alright, now what do we have here? This is our thing. Pretty similar, okay? Okay. Okay, this is it. And this is the code for those playing along at home. And that's our new puppy. First, let's see if it turns. I couldn't find online exact replacement for my motor. So this is the original motor. You can see here the code has an H letter at the end, and this is the replacement, which has exactly the same code, but it has an E letter at the end. So it's not a perfect match, but all the rest of the numbers are just the same. But obviously the electronics inside this compartment are different, because this motor, the replacement, rotates continuously without command, and when I put a command to window up or down, then it stops. So it works completely the opposite way around. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep the original electronics and to swap just the two motors. Be very careful when you pull out the motor. Hold the black thing with your hand and pull it together like this, you see? Okay. That's it. So I'm hoping that just by swapping the motors, the original electronics will do the job. Let's see how it works and if it works. Okay, swapment complete. Let's see the result. Yes, yes. Looks like it's working. Okay, the assembly in the reverse order. Don't forget thing here. That's it, folks.
Houston, the Eagle has landed. Roger, Tranquility. We copy you on the ground.